Yeah. What are your projects that you have done?
Yeah, I have done one end-to-end implementation and two support projects. Right now I'm in support project only.
Okay, in which company do you work?
Right now my organization is TCS.
So you're working for TCS?
Yes. Right now my client is Kronos client. Kronos client.
Who is which place you are working?
Bangalore.
Oh, you're working from Bangalore. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So you are associate consultant?
No, right now I'm a FICO consultant, not associate, like associate level only.
Sorry?
Yeah, as a SAP.
What is your designation in TCS? I know the designations in TCS, so it comes from lower level. So
SAP FICO
asking you, what is your designation here?
Yeah, my designation is FICO consultant.
So in your appointment order, it has given as FICO consultant, or what is the designation?
Yeah, first actually I joined as a SAP FI associate consultant, but right now I mean my designation is SAP FICO consultant.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so yeah. So what was your project like? End implementation project?
That is the Sisagawa iron ore client. That is the manufacturing mineral industry company. They are done on a implementation project.
Sisagawa.
Yes.
Right now you are in Sisagawa?
No, I am not in Sisagawa iron ore. Right now I am in Kronos support project only.
Kronos.
Yes.
Where it is based at?
Bangalore.
No, your client.
Yes, client location also Bangalore.
Client location is also Bangalore. Huh?
Yes.
Kronos, is it India-based company?
Yeah, it's a product pigments, primary product-based company. It's producing the titanium dioxide pigments in the world, primary pigments.
Okay. Can you face me? Yeah. Can you face me? Yeah. That's good. Yeah. Can you tell me what are the features that are available in special new GL concept?
See, in new GL concept, there is given an important feature as document splitting. With the document splitting, we can split the line items. A specific characteristics like
first explain all the features and then go one by one.
Sorry, which one?
First, can you explain me all the features and then go one by one?
Yeah. Mainly the new GL is used for reporting purpose. New GL has given important feature as document splitting. With the document splitting, we can split the line items as specific characters like profit center segment. There are passive splitting, active splitting, and zero balance splitting are there. In active splitting, we can split the document line items, and at the time of passive splitting, we can split the whatever clearing documents is there. Like during clearing transactions, we can split the line items. For example, payment transactions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
And the new GL is given say leading ledger and non-leading ledger. Leading ledger, this is the mainly used for reporting purpose.
Yeah. Only those two?
Yes, that's involved in new GL concept.
What is the purpose of document splitting? Like, why do we need to split into?
Yeah, mainly it's see for report different types of reportings. They are asking management like, and for reporting purpose we can split the we can do the document splitting based on their requirement.
What kind of reporting purpose?
Yes.
What kind of reporting?
See if they had if client have multiple business areas. For example, he have two plants, but I have received the one invoice only against two plants expenses. Then he has made the entry for particular business area wise. particular invoice is single invoice, but its expenses is related to plants, then it will work. For example,
Okay.
expenses one
So
business.
you need to you can post a document in one document you can split into two plans.
Yes.
Oh.
See, at the time of entry we can split the line. There is in line item column we can give the whatever plant are there, that particular expense. For example, expense account debit, and for that line we can give the whatever plant are there. That plant we can flag.
In what kind of transaction you can use a plant as a input field?
See, for example, any other expenses he have received, plant and maintenance, like that. If the client is received the two plants in single invoice, and at the time, for example, office expenses, plant 1 10,000 and office expenses plant 2 12,000, like that. But in single
Are you
invoice.
talking about the cost center or are you talking about the plant? You're talking about the plant.
See, yeah, talking about plant and business. In that field, we are given profit center also. Based on characteristics, we can split the line. That's right. Business area, profit
I
center,
don't
and
think so.
segment.
Plant can be given in any finance document.
Sorry.
Plant can be given in any finance document. Plant is the plant is an input field in FB50 or FB60.
FB50, FB60, right? Right.
You can key in.
Yes.
And plant is a characteristic that can split into two documents. There is no plant that can be split. In document splitting, the characteristics are only business area, plant,
Yeah,
business area, profit center, and a segment only.
Yeah, business area, profit center, segment.
Yeah, there is no plant at all. So when you have done that end-to-end implementation, CISA Gold, and are you a complete partner for this end-to-end implementation? Or are you working only on specific areas?
No, I involved in all the phases, but I have not in take care of all things. But as a SAP associate consultant, I will take care of and all. And mainly I am involved in realization phase. There is configuration part, business blueprint and realization part I involved.
Sorry, Suresh. Can you repeat it? Sorry.
Yeah. Mainly I involved in business blueprint and realization phase. But see, as a FI associate consultant, I have involved in just I have configured the configuration part and all. I have did.
No. If it is a configuration point of view, if you have configured the document splitting, you would have known that what are the characteristics for document.
Sorry?
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you explain me one sales cycle on this?
Yeah, sales cycle. Yeah, FISD. See, all billing transaction happen in the SD module. Will result in FI postings. All accounting entries will respect to the billing. Billing will be side of the account as a customer, or customers are receivable on the other side of revenue account. See, for example, based on sale order, first end user has raised the sale order. Based on sale order, post goods issue document entry will come. At the time of post goods issue, entry will flow cost of goods sold account data to inventory gets credit. And at the time of sales invoice accounting entry, see, customer gets debit and sales revenue gets credit, and GST also gets debit. And at the time of receipt, bank sub account gets debit, and customer account gets credit. And at the time of BRS, main bank account gets debit and sub account gets credit. This is the flow. and we are assigned the in VRL transaction. Okay, in VKOA transaction, in VRL transaction, we are assigned the sales revenue GL. Based on movement type and for this configuration, GL will flow.
What is the configuration in VKOA?
See, in VKOA transaction, we are assigned the sales revenue GL. In ERL transaction key, based on that, GL will flow.
What is the sequence of VKOA setting? Just hold on a second, okay?
Yeah, you see, mainly in VKOA, based on that VKOA setting, GL will flow whatever maybe is there.
What is the Suresh, what I'm asking is, what is the sequence of VKOA configuration? You got it or no?
Yeah, what is the main sequence are there? See, in FI module.
Yeah, just give me a minute, okay? 1 second.
Yeah.
Suresh, sorry.
Yeah.
So you're not sure about VKOA settings. That's what I understand.
Yeah, see, assign the GL accounts in VKYC. For example, it is a application condition type KOFI account determination, like and chart of account sales organization, and account assignment group for customer, account assignment group for material, and account key and GL accounts like that. Mainly, whereas in ERL transaction key, whereas on the sales revenue GL and ERS transaction key sales deductions and any freight revenue KRF in something transaction keys are there. We can assign the GLs particular that.
Okay. What about the MM cycle?
See, mainly FIMM settings are maintained in T code OBYC. Within this, there are various transaction keys to be maintained like BSX, GVB, PRD, and other also available. In each of these transactions, we specify the GL accounts, which we get automatically passed at the time of entry. And first of all, end user need to create the purchase requisition. Based on purchase requisition, purchase order will come, and based on purchase order, invoice entry will come. MyGo inventory account, MyGo entry will come. At the time of MyGo entry, accounting entry will flow. Inventory account gets debit, and GRIR gets credit. And then MyGo entry, accounting entry will come.
Triggers?
Sorry.
What key triggers?
In my MyGo accounting entry, inventory account gets debit and GRIR gets credit.
What is the key that triggers behind the screen?
See, in inventory account, in BSX GL we are assigned the inventory GL, and WRX GL we are assigned the GRIR. Based on this, it will flow.
When you are receiving the goods, can WRX be multiple accounts?
Yes, WRX is multiple accounts, right? Yes.
For a WRX key, can you assign multiple GL accounts or only one account?
Only one account, GRIR purpose. For a inventory,
you cannot assign more than one account?
Sorry?
You cannot assign more than one account?
Yeah, we cannot. If client requirement, there we can assign multiple, but we cannot assign GRIR for more WRX.
What did you say? If the client requirement is?
No, if see in WRX GL we are assigned the only GRIR only. It's clearing account, right?